If your Squarespace website has started to feel cluttered, inconsistent, or you just want to bring everything back to a clean starting point, this video is going to show you exactly how to reset your Squarespace website the right way. Now, just to be clear, this process is mainly for resetting your site styles, which means your design settings like fonts, colors, spacing, and visual styling. It is a fast way to undo changes and get back to the default look without rebuilding everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace account dashboard and click into the website you want to reset. This is where you'll manage the design settings for that specific site, so make sure you're in the correct project before continuing. Once you're inside the website editor, click Edit on any page. You do not need to edit the content itself for this process, but entering edit mode gives you access to the design tools you need. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Site Styles icon. This is the paintbrush icon, and it is where Squarespace stores the design controls for your website. Inside Site Styles, you'll see options for adjusting the overall appearance of your site. Fonts, colors, buttons, spacing, and other visual settings are all managed from here. Now scroll all the way to the very bottom of the Site Styles sidebar. Squarespace places the reset option at the bottom, so you may need to move through the panel carefully until you reach it. When you get there, click Reset Styles to Defaults. This is the key step that restores the style settings back to the original default state. Squarespace will then ask you to confirm your decision, so click Reset again to finalize it. This confirmation step is important because it prevents accidental resets. Once the styles have been reset, do not forget the final step. Click Save in the top left corner to lock in the changes. Saving is what actually applies the reset to your live editing session, so make sure you complete this part before leaving the page. And that's it. You've now reset the Squarespace site styles and returned your website's design settings to the default look. This is especially useful if you experimented with different styles and want a fresh start, or if you want to simplify your design before making new changes. If this video helped, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tips, website tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.